Welcome to our exploration of sound physics. What is sound and how does it travel? Sound is a vibration that travels through mediums. Let's examine sound in air first. Sound travels at approximately 343 meters per second in air. Next, we explore sound in water. Sound travels faster in water, about 1482 meters per second. What about sound in solid material? Sound can travel even faster in solids, around 5,000 meters per second. Now let's discuss factors that affect sound transmission. Obstacles can reflect, absorb, or diffract sound. Surfaces with irregular textures can scatter sound. How does distance affect what we hear? As sound travels, its intensity decreases due to the inverse square law. Environmental conditions play a role in sound quality. Temperature can influence sound speed and clarity. Now, let's consider how different environments change sound perception. Echoes occur in spaces with hard surfaces, like canyon. Reverberation makes sounds last longer in large rooms. Thank you for joining us on this sound journey.